Good morning, YouTube. I want to show you an invention I made. I have here an adorable little doggy bed. My dogs love it. But there's one drawback to this beautiful doggy bed. It doesn't stuff down into my washing machine. So I turned it upside down. I sewed a sleeping bag zipper on the bottom, and then I cut it out so I can divide it into two pieces so it will fit in the washing machine. All unzipped. Ta-da! Two pieces can fit in the washing machine. Ta-da! Now everything fits in the washing machine. I can wash them. You know how they get all stinky? And you hate to just throw them away. And you hate to just have to go take them to a laundromat, put them in those big washer and dryer. So that is my solution. A zipper doggy bed. Okay, the dog bed is all washed and dried in two pieces. Baby Kiki, Baby Snow is checking them out. I'm going to zip them up and see how it works. Precious is checking it out. What do you think, Presh? What do you think? Huh? Like that old soft bed? All clean? Bud had to come check it out also. What do you think? Oh. Well, wait a minute. Let me zip it up before you get in it, okay? They all want to get in it before I zip it up. Okay, it's half zipped up. Precious is going to try and get in it again. Okay, it's all zipped up. Worked really well, just like the sleeping bag. Then I'm going to turn it over and let you guys try it out. What do you think? Precious digging in it. She likes it. Getting all of the stuffing just the way she wants it. Pretty good? Like it? I think she likes it. So that's it, guys. Doggy bed with a zipper around the bottom so you can wash it in two pieces. And I got to play on the new bed. That's it for today, guys. I'm heading out to work. I'll see you next time. Adios. Mwah. Jesus loves you. We have victory in 2020. May you have 2020 vision in 2020. Bye.